Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my thoughts on the Corsair Vengeance DDR5, a 32GB memory kit running at 6000 MHz with CL30 timings. I've been using it for some time, and it has impressed me in more than one way. The design is classic Corsair, clean, solid aluminium heat spreaders that keep temperatures low while giving the modules a premium look. The grey finish makes them versatile for almost any build. They don't have RGB, but that also means they fit well in minimal or professional setups. Installation is really easy. With both AMD Expo and Intel XMP profiles available, enabling the rated speed is as simple as loading the profile in the BIOS. On Ryzen platforms, the Expo optimization makes a real difference, offering stability without any manual tweaking. Performance is where this kit shines. The jump from DDR4 to DDR5 is noticeable, especially in memory-heavy workloads. Games feel smoother, multitasking is snappier, and content creation tasks like editing or rendering run more efficiently. The CL30 latency gives an edge compared to many competing kits that often run at higher latencies, so the responsiveness is excellent. Temperatures remain under control even during long gaming or editing sessions, and through Corsair's ICUE software you can monitor performance in real time. Of course, being DDR5, you need the right motherboard and CPU, and if you were hoping for flashy RGB effects, this isn't the kit for you. But if what you want is raw speed, stability, and a clean design, this memory delivers exactly that. In short, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 at 6000 MHz with CL30 timings is a fantastic choice for gamers, streamers, and creators who want reliable, high-performance memory without compromise. If you're building a new system or upgrading to DDR5, this is one of the most solid and future-proof kits you can get right now.